A very good morning to you all. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2021. We thank God we are alive. If you are not a believer, you're still alive. So, whatever you believe in or your beliefs are, if it doesn't matter, you are still alive. So, this year, we're back again with the same stuff. Stock market going, the currency market going, and everything. Some people were asking me to talk about more about the stock market and the currency. There is a video on the channel, Introduction to Trading. If you haven't watched it, I'll entreat you to watch it, and all the videos there I explain in detail the difference between currency trading and the stock market. They both have various advantage, but the one major advantage of the currency market is the volatility and 24-hour trading time, apart from Friday when the market closes and it opens at Sunday, 10 o'clock. Yes, so that is about 5 trillion market daily volume being traded in the currency market, whereas the stock market is not traded 24 hours. It doesn't have 5.3 trillion, but if you know what you're doing, you can equally make money in it, whether short term or if you want to value invest. So there is a video, Introduction to Trading. Look at it, then read. So you have to start now. It doesn't matter whether you are 50, whether you are 30, you have to start your investing now to work yourself towards financial freedom. This is there is no better way than the era that we are living in. A lot of internet, a lot of information, everything is moving online. And if you want to go back to the 20s, 30s, they didn't have this to flip their computer and look at the open and the close. This data weren't available. You have to watch through the news, and in the morning you have to pick up the phone and phone your broker to find information. But this era, we are very blessed to have everything at our fingertips. So it's 2020, so just a recap. For the first video of the year, I want to just go over a little bit why you should be trading, and you should learn. And this is not an overnight success. As I always say, you have to put in the effort. Even if you find a good mentor, after he teaches you, if you go and sleep the next day, you're not going to find millions in your bank account. You have to practice, put whatever he is teaching you into effort. That's why there is demo account, and you can't see demo account when it's here. This is not a demo. So you use your demo account to practice before you jump into the live account. And if you learn really well, and you are patient and you are dedicated to yourself or to your goal, you will not be asking questions of, oh, what loss size should I use, what things should I do. Like I always say, when it comes to trading, your sole focus should be on yourself, because different people has different bank account size. Somebody might be able to start trading with a million, 100,000, 200, 10, 20, 30. Maybe you can also start with 500. But your progress is what you have to focus on, that you are consistent, making profit, avoiding human error, and putting in the work. You can't say somebody is making 100,000 a day, so you also want to make the same amount of money. It doesn't work like that. You have to stay in your lane. If you can build 500 to 1,000, 1,000 to 2,000, eventually you get to 5,000, and eventually you compound into 20,000, and then the capital becomes huge. And as your capital becomes huge, your profit also becomes bigger. So what people don't understand with investing is the power of compounding. For instance, someone may start with 2,000 or 10,000, then every month or every week they are withdrawing money out of it, and the capital start coming down and coming down and coming down, and eventually they don't have. You should be able to focus and say, okay, I'm going to put whatever amount you can start with once you start live trading. If it is £1 you want to start, if it is £20 you want to start with, if it is 1,000, 2,000 you want to start with, that is a capital. You are not taking any money out, so all the profits that you are getting, you plowing back into the business. But like I stated in my last video, if you don't even have big capital to start nowadays, you can just focus on learning the skills and becoming good at it. There are so many prop firms. FTMO is one of them, and others that are willing to give you 100, 200, 300. There are even prop firms which can give you up to 2 million, 1 million. So you have that big capital that you are looking for, and you can have profit from there and start probably saving up your profits, and maybe eventually you can also put 50 or 100,000 of your profits out of your own pocket to start your own trading account and trade where you don't have any restrictions like daily minimum loss or stuff like that. And FTMO also, somebody was asking about how they calculate the daily loss. So if you are in a trade, you don't have to have a minus 5,000 daily loss. So during the day, if your trade went to minus 3,000 and it comes back to let's say profit of 500, and you close it, your daily maximum loss has been to minus 3,000. You didn't get to minus 5. But then if you keep trading again, and let's say you go and have minus 2,100 loss, looks like you have violated the maximum loss. So if you want to trade with either FTMO or any other prop firm that you want to use, what you have to go into their terms and condition and read. And if you don't understand anything, well, maybe I didn't explain it well, but just email them their support and ask them, you don't understand the daily loss, how it's calculated, then they will explain to you so that you will understand. So start trading, start investing now. Don't wait, because time and tide wait for no man. Is better late than ever. Focus on the skills. Focus on the skill set. The skill set is important. Don't be afraid of mistakes, because when I started trading, I made so many mistakes. That was why I'm documenting this for you, and if you go through the videos, you see what's helping me and what didn't help me. And I talked about last year about the importance of watch list. So what is watch list? You need your watch list, and the trades I always say are won by the weekend or when the market closes. You should know your strategy, whether you are a day trader or you are a position trader. You should have your watch list. So I'm explaining once more here. Watch list is when the market closes, all the assets you want to trade are down here. Okay, everything that you want to trade are down here. So you are looking for a buy setup or a sell setup, because in trading, these are only two things that we are doing. Whether you are trading currency, commodity, stocks, or whatever, you are either buying. Buying means you buy from low, and when the price get to a level that you think you've hit your profit target, or you think the market wouldn't go up again, you sell to take your profit, or you close it. And selling means you sell at a high price at the top or the supply level, and you wait for the market to bottom at the demand level, and you take your profit. So these are the two things that you do in trading. So watch list is going through the individual assets that you put on your chart that you wish to trade, and looking at which, according to your own strategy that you use to trade, which of the market is setting up for a buy, or which of the market is setting up for a sell, for you to sell. So when you see that this is a potential sell trade, you put it on your sell watch list. And if you think that this is a potential buy trade, you put it on your buy watch list. So that means that when the week starts, you already have trades that you are going to keep your eye on. So that helps you to not go through everything that you have put them on. So when the market open on Sunday night, you know that you are looking at maybe you have 4 potential buy setup and 3 potential sell setup. So these are the 7 things that you are looking on. So whenever you take the trade, it meets your condition and you place the buy trade, or then you cancel it. When you close the sell trade, then you cancel it. Then when the market closes, you come and look at it again, whether you have new watch list to add, new setup to add to your watch list, and then you manage your trades. This is all you need to do. So if you can do this, then, because this is all part of the preparation, so then you know the opportunities that you are actually looking at. Then once the opportunity comes and it goes, then, like I also stress, keep tweaking your system, because no system is 100%. There are about at least potential 7 market conditions that I have realized in the market: sideways, trending, channeling, just to mention a few. And each condition, the trading or the setup to trade, or the strategy to trade, is different. That is why even when you are trading buy trade, you always have to do your you always have to uh, do your demo practice and keep tweaking your system, so that it keeps giving you good trades upon good trades. If you can do that, then you are on it. And one thing that I want to stress, like I said, if you are not ready to trade yourself, please don't go and give your money to somebody that will be taking your money away. Okay, you need to trade. If you can't trade, if you are not ready to trade, then wait, because it's painful if you go and pay $650 for FTMO to get 100 accounts, and you have a scammer telling you, pay me 500 and I'll trade for you. And I'm guaranteeing you, once I pass, I fill your account, I'll buy it for you. But they are demanding you to pay them before they trade for you. These people are scammers. I've had a lot of people reach out to me. These people are scammers. They'll blow your account within 1 day or less than even 2 hours. It happens. They blow it, and then when you ask them to buy your account for you, they are going to go cold on you. You don't know where they live, and so be careful of social media like hypes, like Instagram, Facebook, and those people who wants to take you to big hotels or whatever and say they can train you or they'll trade for you. Be careful of them. It's easy. Trading is really, really easy. Once you have the time to dedicate, like I always say, all it takes is spending at least 30 minutes to 1 hour every day, because all you're doing is you are figuring it out, the charts. When is the market is going up, so you have to buy. When the market is going down, you have to sell. And how to place orders, amend orders and stuff, I have done a different video. So if we can get about thousands of likes and stuff, I will show you something free, okay, so that you can know what you're about. So this is what I want to talk to you about. Is not difficult. You can learn it. So don't go and give your hard-earned money to all these people, okay, who don't have time for you, and they are just taking. Remember, most of these people are in India, Pakistan, all these places where $500 or £500 is like millions or hundreds of thousands in their local currency, and they are using that to live millionaire lifestyle there. You understand? And because there are more victims, they can keep scamming, so they keep doing it. So don't blame anybody if you've been a victim. I have been scammed myself before, so just take that responsibility, and you tell yourself you are not going to let this happen to you ever again. And then if you have any more questions, just let me know, and then we will move on. So until next week, work hard. That's all I can tell you. Stay safe, stay healthy, watch what you eat, and then put in the effort. Put in the effort. Tell yourself this is a long-term game. It's not a short-term game where you start trading today and you become a millionaire tomorrow. Just stay consistent. That's the key to your success. And let your capital grow, and practice a lot. That is the charting. You can always flip your charts to give you idea what is happening, and this is what we call the practicing and practicing. Okay, you train your eye to see things, then you become a sniper or an eagle. They are very far away in the sky, but their eyes is going around, sees everywhere, because they are looking for potential prey that is not focused, that is either sleeping, too much caught in excitement, and they take advantage and come back and kill it. And that is a dinner or lunch or breakfast. And the trading is the same. The more charting you put in, or the more the results will keep coming, because the same patterns will keep repeating itself over and over and over again. I will speak to you soon, and thank you very much. It's a new year, 2021. Let's make this year a record-breaking year for everybody. I'll speak to you again. Bye bye.